Sleep. Settling. Yeah, tell us about when you first walked onto the property as you came through the trees, what that experience was like for you.
Wow. I mean, it was interesting because when I first saw the property online, I didn't get it. And I remember when we pulled up here for our appointment and we're winding down the gravel driveway through the trees. I'm like, where are we going? And I remember pulling up to the house and it just opens up and there's this beautiful grand brick home just resting on the hill. And I'm like, this is really neat. But it wasn't until I walked through the front door. And I was just hit with this wave of memories and history. And the sellers were so kind and walked with us through the home, telling us about the craftsmanship, the walnut woodwork, the antique doors that they had chosen, the light fixtures and chandeliers, why they chose the layout they did, the doorknobs from Portland hotels back in the 1900s. This isn't stuff that you can just look online and necessarily just buy on Amazon. And it really started to click for me. I honestly realized, because, I'm an agent, I go through a lot of homes, but I'd never been in a house like this that felt like a canvas. It felt like the sellers were the artists and they had taken their vision and really brought it to life. And you can just feel the love and the family life that's been here. It just feels like home. And I know that sounds corny, but it really does. And I remember when we went outside and seller's telling us about, she loves landscaping and plants. And she's telling us about these 30-year-old rhododendrons that have been here from when the first home was here that burned down. And where can you go buy a property that has these plants that she's had forever, and she's nurtured them and she's cultivated them, and it's like a secret garden. She doesn't like things to be round. She likes them to have shape and character. And as you walk through the home, you can see she has antiques, but some of them have chips in them and dents. And she's always felt like things that are old that aren't perfect have more meaning because they were used and loved. And you can feel that in the home. But I really feel like, just like me, being young in a generation where we like white and gray and beige and, modern style things, I didn't get it when I looked at photos on a screen. I mean, how can you possibly fit how amazing this home is and the character and the intentionality and the vision in a photo? You can't. And I mean, if I can be so bold, I'll just say, I promise you, you will not find another home like this anywhere. And you're really not gonna get it until you walk through that door.